Hey there, Boba Fett ANHSE here, and welcome to my second quote-unquote unboxing. It's not really an unboxing because I've opened this before, but I've never assembled it. This is from KY, a trading company in China. It is an airsoft DL-44 Mauser Han Solo pistol, and we are going to open it and assemble it. It requires some assembly, and just see what the product looks like and how heavy it feels, how awesome it is. So you wouldn't believe the problems I had getting this thing through customs. Customs in America sent it back to China twice. I really didn't think that the third time was going to be any different from the other two, but finally it came through, and this box contains two smaller boxes. Now, in each, one is the main pistol body, the other is the sight and the muzzle. So this is the sight. It's not too heavy. And this is the muzzle for the very end. The thing is that this muzzle will not fit onto the pistol until you remove the orange safety tab. So here we do have the airsoft pistol, and I do have to remove this orange safety to be able to put this on. So we're going to have to boil some water, immerse this in the water, pull it out with the pliers, that's the theory, whip it out and put the muzzle on. So that's what we have to do. I haven't done that before. This is the first time. We're going to do it right now. So we have our boiling water, and this is a nice heavy weight, but we're going to immerse it into here. Hopefully it won't take too long to warm that plastic up, but
there it went. Well, of course it came off camera. Alright, I'll stop talking.
well, it's out. Yeah. The only reason they have this in there is for to distinguish it from a real firearm. But now we have it loose, we can see if this will slide on. Ooh, feels good. And I guess let's get the Allen key. Well, it's tightening. Perfect. Nice. So we have the muzzle on. Wow, it's the first time I've seen it assembled. Now it's super heavy. Now we go in, put this on. That feels good and tight. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we have here. It's fully assembled and it weighs, it's nice and heavy. It feels like a real gun. No wonder customs were so strict about, or so feisty about letting it come through and end up in my possession. But it did, and it's such a great piece. Like I said, the first time I've seen it assembled, before I could have just perched the muzzle on the end and imagine what it would look like, but you have to remove that orange sleeve, this orange sleeve, to be able to push the muzzle right the way down so it nests with this Allen key. But we'll take a look, we'll have a look through the sight. I'll give you a look, see what it looks like to the sight. This is what it would look like if Boba Fett had, you know, Han Solo aiming at him. You got the Han Solo eye view, but it kind of looks like the James Bond opening, doesn't it? It's kind of cool. I feel like I should surrender. The DL-44 Mauser Airsoft. If you can get one into the country, I recommend you get one, because it is an amazing piece and amazing for the sheer weight of it. It just feels so authentic and meaty, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this mini unboxing slash assembly of the DL-44 Mauser. And maybe, who knows, maybe I'll take it out into the field and test this bad boy out with some pellets. But hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Goodbye.